Hello and good morning dear student, and also welcome in our DSS online classes. Here myself Mr. Raju Singh once again starting computer class with chapter 3 and chapter name is charts in Excel, and today's topic is last topic from this chapter. Okay, and our last topic is adding spark line. Last topic is adding spark line. What is spark line? How to use and which type version have the spark line features? Everything we will discuss here, and why its importance in our daily life. Everything we will discuss one by one. So we are going to start. What is spark line? Okay. In Excel 2010, firstly you look here why this is called in Excel 2010, because of Excel has many types of version. Excel has many types of version like that Excel 2000, Excel 2003, Excel 2007, Excel 2010. Because when our Excel program is evolved, that's many times updated time to time, and now in Excel 2010 have a spark line feature. This is not available in Excel 2000 version, Excel 2003 version, Excel 2007 version. It is start from in Excel 2010. Now further we have spark lines where in Excel 2010. What is spark line? A spark line is a tiny chart. Tiny chart means small chart. Because of all students, you know that when you have to data series and you have to create a chart, that is a very large position visualize you. Okay, but sometimes you need to both are come, means data series come with tiny chart, that is called spark line. If one side data will be shown and here one side tiny chart will be shown, this is called spark line. Okay, and before videos we have to discuss according to data series we have to create a special chart. But special chart have a big in large position to show and represent all the values according to your requirement. But here both are come in Excel program. You have to manage your data series, and in one Excel also you do that spark line. This is called the tiny chart, small chart. Okay. In a worksheet cell that provides a visual representation of data. Directly you can see from your data series in Excel program, and you find out in another cell that there is created a spark line like that small chart. Both are visualized directly. Visual representation of data. Next one, a spark line can display a trend based on adjacent data. Adjacent data means related data. Those who have to create data series, that is the adjacent data for the tiny chart. Okay, if you want to create a tiny chart, or spark line, that is the trained based on adjacent data, directly adjoined with that data according to your spark line. In a clear and compact graphical representation. Graphical representation visualized for you, because when you create a small chart like a tiny chart, that is called a spark line, and spark line adjacent data based create. Okay, so this is very enhancing and attractive feature because of both are visualized directly. Both means data series also with tiny chart. Okay, and this feature is available in Excel 2010. So let me have to move how to create our spark line in Excel program. That is few steps those we have to follow. So we have to discuss about adding a spark line steps, because in previous we have to discuss about the concept of a spark line, but here we have to discuss about if spark line is very important, that's how can we create and apply in our Excel sheet. So here two steps follow for spark line. Okay, let us here discuss about one. First is select the area where you want to insert spark line. Firstly, you have to select. Suppose that if you have data from here to here and you want to in this cell spark line, firstly you have to click in header. That's like A, B, C, D, E, F. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Suppose if you want to this spark line available in G column, firstly you have to click here. Okay, that's this column will be activated. Okay, this column will be activated. Click on the spark line button. Click on spark line button under the insert tab. From insert tab you can click on spark line button. Select the type of spark line. Spark line have various types on the basis of layout. Okay, so according to your own requirement you have to click and choose the spark line format or layout. Here you have to click column spark line. Okay, here you have to click column spark line which you want to insert. Okay, now we have to move next top point. The create spark line dialog box open. The create dialog box according to column chart will be open. Okay, you see location range is automatically filled in the dialog box. Location filled in the dialog box. This is the G1 to G5 location for your spark line. Okay, is automatically filled in the dialog box. Select the data in worksheet and data name. Select the data. This is data from A1 to F4. This is the data. The dialog box will fill and then click on OK. When you click OK button, that you can see a tiny chart like suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E, F. Suppose this is this data series. Here you can mention your data. Okay, and if you want to create here, first you have to click here and then Sparkline dialog box open. Your data will be selected automatically and apply here column chart according to your data. Okay, and here you can see it visual representation of your data. Like that previously, if you have data series, you can create a fresh chart. But here both are including at one place. Here data also, here in one cell, data visualization with the tally chart. Okay, so I think all students understand today's topic, and today's topic is Sparkline is very important and very directly visualize your data comparison according to this step. And here the cells, Excel sheet, cell, row, column, and I think all students, have you any doubt, you can discuss with me. And
now we have to take a practical video. Let us hear the data series for a cells where you find the Sparkline. You can select this, after that insert button and go Sparkline, and here line chart, and here 3 tabs. Okay, and after that you select the data range, those who have applied the Sparkline from here B3 to B9. Okay, and after that this will already exist there, you want to Sparkline, and after that OK button, you can see the line chart will be shown. Okay, this is the Sparkline, and from here you can give a lots of layouts, those who have various color, and also you can change according to your required color. And you have also click the for change the thickness of the line. Okay, if you want to these are respected, that you can one choose, and after that you can watch this is Sparkline. Very good. Now from here we take another example. This is the like so many components, so many parts, devices are selling on Monday, Tuesday, and here want to Sparkline. You have to select where you want this Sparkline, and after that insert button, and one window will be shown, and after that data series will be selected by you, and you can see the line chart, and also here you can various types layout, you can select or change the color or thickness of the line. And if you want to column chart types Sparkline, then you have to last cell you have to select, and after that insert button, then Sparkline, and here column chart. Okay, here also you select the data range, and after that OK. That's you can see here column Sparkline chart will be shown. Okay, that's okay. Thank you.